Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, let's learn a Python program, that is write a Python program to print a number is positive or negative using the if-else statement. So given a number as input to the Python program, so your task is to check the number is positive or negative using the if-else statement, and you have to print the appropriate message. So that is a problem statement. So let's try to solve this. So first let me take a variable in order to store the user entered number. So let's say number equals 2. So let's use the input function called to ask a user to enter a number. So let's say enter a number. Yeah, so once the user enters the number, so it will be of a string type, that is the return value of input. So let's convert it into an integer type using the type conversion, and it will be stored in this variable. So once we are done getting the number, so let's use a if else statement to check if number is positive or negative. So let's take if statement and take a number, and we have to use a condition that is less than 0. So if the number is less than 0, so you have to print that is a number is a negative. So let's use a print function, and let's say number, and let's use a print formatting over here, and let's try to print the number, and let's say number is negative. And yeah, so for the positive scenario, so let's take another else block, and let's try to print, that is let's use again print formatting, and let's say number is, let's try to print the number itself over here, and is positive. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program that uses the if-else statement to check if number is positive or negative appropriately, and prints the message. So let me run this, and let me show you how it works. So enter a number, so let's say minus 12. So you can see number minus 12 is negative. Closing it. Let me run it again. So let's say 1. So you can see number is positive. Closing it. Let me run it again, and let's say 22. Again it is a positive, so let's give 0. You can see number is a positive. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program, and if you want to modify this to a float, just use the float over here instead of using the integer type. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program to print the number is positive or negative, and it uses a if else statement. So I'll give this code in the description of this video. So that's it in this video. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Bye.